guys, I have a real quick video for you today. As you can see, I made a balloon wall for the 4th of July. It says US. So I want to show you guys how I did it. It's really quick and easy and simple. All you need is a wall, a little bit of balloons, and some tape. So let's get into it.
Okay, so as I was saying, all you need is some balloons, red, white, and blue, of course, a blank wall, and some tape. And that's it. Let's get into it, y'all. So this first part of the video, I'm going to be attempting to do the original design I had in mind was a US, but then I thought that kind of like stars with stripes would be cool. So I started off doing stars, blue stars, and then I was gonna do red and white stripes, but that ended up not working out too well. So as you can see, I started off with the blue stars, but then afterwards I'm gonna change the idea and then switch it over to the blue U and S. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that process too. And a few details about the wall. The wall actually has wallpaper on it, so it was easier kind of to stick something to it because it's already flat. So if you have a textured wall, I would suggest probably using like duct tape or just like a stickier tape so that it can actually stick to the wall. But if you have wallpaper, then like any kind of basic tape would be fine. And the wall is also about 9 feet tall and 8.5 feet wide. So this actually didn't end up taking too long. I want to say like this whole process was about 2 to 3 hours. Blowing up the balloons took up most of the time. So if you have someone else blowing them up with you, then that's preferred. But it was just me blowing them up. So I pretty much took I want to say 2 hours, 3 hours. Sticking them up was super easy and quick. Just blowing them up was took all the life out of me. But pretty much what I'm doing is I designed the blue part is supposed to be the design. So the part that I use so I still want to keep it in the stripes, if that makes sense. And then I just put the blue as a part of the stripes. I don't know if I'm making sense, but you can kind of see here, it's still in alignment with the stripes. So right after I put up a blue balloon, I would put up a red or a white balloon right afterwards. So it'd still be cohesive design. So I'm starting off this U. This U I had to restart because it was a little too short. The S ended up being super long because I had to put space between the S's. So I had to extend the U, as you can see later on in the video. But yeah, I actually really love how it turned out. I'm really happy with it. I think it's a really cute 4th of July thing. You could do it for a barbecue. If you're having a graduation party, you can do a wall like this. It's just really cute and simple. It seems like it's a little more intricate than it is, but it's so simple, which again, I love that. And super budget. I bought all the balloons, I want to say, for about $20. Yeah, which is awesome. I have a whole balloon wall that looks fancy, and it was $20. So y'all, do it. When you guys do it too, send me pictures and send me how it turned out and all that, because I really liked it. Funny thing, while I was blowing up the balloons, they would pop in my mouth. And like sometimes when I'm adjusting them, it happened in this video multiple times. When I'm adjusting it, it like pops right in my hand. Like, so be careful with that, guys, because it actually hurts. So, yeah. So I'm pretty much done. I didn't have an extra blue balloon, so I had to go get that elsewhere. And then this is the end result. I added some balloons at the end of it just because I thought that would be really cute to kind of just like play with. So yeah, this is it. I'm really happy with it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. Thanks, guys.